Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline. We're out of the shop today because we just finished customizing this Tesla Model 3. It came to us in gloss black, and now as you can see, we've wrapped it using 3M satin black film. All the exterior panels have been wrapped, and we're really good at this. We roll the edges, we take off the bumpers, we really try to make it look like paint, even though we have wrapped it. Also, this is a first for us because we left all the chrome trim the way it is in its nature form, as well as the stock 19-inch wheels. So this is really cool. I'm sure you like it as well. Please leave us a comment. What do you think? Should we have done chrome delete with this satin black film, or is it really cool just like this? What we also did to this Model 3 is install the brand new California only digital license plate. Check out how cool this is. It's installed on the car. It's got a black background. It's got the white numbers. This is actually his plate number. It came downloaded into the plate over the air by DMV. This is the coolest new accessory for all cars in California, especially a Tesla. Again, another must-have accessory, I think, for every Tesla.